Right, so I'm just in Chester at the minute. I've just been down to the corner of the River Dee in Chester in Handbridge, and I've just done a bit of a flight over the river, pushing the boundaries of what I feel is safe without losing my drone. As you can see, we're just opposite the rowing club. We've got the I think it's the Handbridge just back there. But yeah, I just wanted to get some nice scenographically beautiful 4K footage. It was more a test of how nervous I would get. The biggest part of my nerves kicked in when a flock of birds started going at about the same height directly towards the drone. So I'll splice it up and cut it up so it's a little bit more viewable. I'm getting more comfortable flying it now. It's more just the surroundings that I panic about. So I've got on the way the flashing lights for the drone. Obviously it's always in line of sight, but sometimes I do worry when I look at the screen and I look back up, I can't actually see where the drone is then from that point. Without risk of me rambling on too long, I'll leave you with some nice footage of the River Dee from ground level, and then we'll merge into the River Dee from the skies. Hope you enjoy.